Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to cancel pending orders on Trading 212. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to app.trading212.com. Once the page loads, go ahead and log in with your credentials to access your Trading 212 account. After logging in, you'll land on your main dashboard where you can manage all your trading activities. Now, direct your attention to the top of the page where you'll see three horizontal lines. This is your main menu icon. Click on it to reveal the navigation menu with all the available options for managing your account and trades. At the top of this menu, you'll notice options for either 212 Invest or 212 CFD. Select whichever account type you're using, as this determines which platform's orders you'll be managing. This is important because each account type maintains separate order histories and pending transactions. Once you've selected your account type, scroll down through the menu options until you find History. Click on this option to access your complete trading history, which includes all your executed trades, pending orders, and past transactions. After the History page opens, look at the top of the screen where you'll see several tabs. Click on the Orders tab. This tab specifically shows all your order-related activities, making it easy to track both completed and pending orders in one place. Now, although I don't have any pending orders right now, I'll walk you through the next steps so you know exactly what to do when you need to cancel one. When you have pending orders, you'll see them listed here with their current status clearly displayed. Find the order that shows a status of pending by clicking on it. This will open up the order details where you can review the specifics of that particular trade and access additional actions. If the cancel option is available for that order, you'll see a button or link labeled Cancel Order. Simply choose this option and your pending order will be cancelled immediately. The order will no longer be active and any funds allocated to it will be released back to your available balance. And that's it. You've now learned how to cancel pending orders on Trading 212, giving you full control over your trading activity. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.